I'm Phil with NVIDIA, and this is the Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit. NVIDIA is a full-stack computing platform company, innovating across hardware and software from data centers in the cloud to robots on the ground. This is possible because the same architecture and software is used across all NVIDIA platforms. The NVIDIA Jetson platform is a combination of NVIDIA's AI software stack with small form factor accelerated compute modules, like the new Jetson AGX Orin. Our customers use Jetson for robotics use cases across all industries, including last mile delivery, logistics, retail, agriculture, service, warehouse automation, and healthcare. Jetson AGX Orin delivers a new level of AI performance with up to 275 trillion operations per second. That's more than 8 times the AI compute capability of its predecessor, Jetson AGX Xavier. You now have the capability to create tomorrow's AI solutions as well as today's, and the Developer Kit makes it easy to get started. It includes a reference carrier board, the Jetson AGX Orin module, a thermal solution, wireless networking, all pre-assembled into this small system. Also included in the box is a USB Type-C power adapter, a USB-C to Type-A cable, and a small getting started booklet. The Developer Kit is pre-flashed with Linux. Connect a monitor, keyboard and mouse, power on, and install software from the internet. The NVIDIA Insight Developer Tools suite can be installed directly to the Developer Kit. You no longer need a separate computer to debug, profile, and optimize your applications. Compact size and lots of connectors make this Developer Kit perfect for prototyping advanced robots. The front of the Developer Kit has a USB Type-C connector, 40-pin expansion header, and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A connectors. This side has a by16 PCIe slot, supporting by8 PCIe Gen 4. Also, the antennas for wireless networking are under the PCIe slot cover. The back has a USB Type-C connector, a barrel jack power connector, a 10 gigabit Ethernet jack, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A connectors, a DP connector for display, and a micro USB debug connector. This side has a micro SD card slot and 3 buttons for power, force recovery, and reset. Under the Developer Kit is an M.2 KeyM connector for NVMe storage, a real-time clock backup battery connector, a CSI camera connector, an M.2 KeyE slot with pre-installed wireless networking card, and audio, automation, and JTAG headers. After attaching your monitor, keyboard, and mouse, just connect the power supply, and your Developer Kit will power on automatically. On first boot, you'll be prompted to choose a username, password, and other basic information. You can also set up your Wi-Fi at this time. After that, your desktop loads, and you can install the latest Jetpack SDK. Sudo apt install NVIDIA Jetpack. After the installation is complete, you'll need to reboot the system. Check out the desktop links for a wide range of resources to help as you develop with Jetson. This is the Jetson AGX Orin Developer Kit. It's an AI computer for prototyping advanced robots with your largest, most complex AI models to solve problems such as natural language understanding and 3D perception. Ampere GPU architecture together with next-generation deep learning and vision accelerators, high-speed I/O, and fast memory bandwidth are ready to handle your use case. Visit the NVIDIA Jetson developer site and get started today.